I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble accessing Outlook Web and encountering a block, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can cause access issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with web applications. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the access block. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Outlook Web. You may need to add it to the allowed list. Step 5. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, try accessing Outlook Web using a different browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause access problems. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the access block on Outlook Web. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.